Good morning, expatriates and international students, and welcome to my channel Good Morning Expat. This is Kaur, and on popular demand, I am here with a mini series of short videos on cost of living in Milano, which is a very important subject for future and existing expatriates and international students in Milan. Now, I have been frequently requested by many of our loving subscribers to create some videos that can give them an idea of how much one is likely to spend on the different aspects of living in Milan, like housing, eating out, traveling, grocery shopping, and other things. So I have created this mini series with short video nuggets to inform you about how much you will be likely to spend on a monthly basis on these different aspects of living in Milan. So I hope you're going to find it insightful and useful, and let's get started. Now, one major factor that will determine your monthly expenditure on food is eating out. For example, today I have come outside to have some light lunch, and I'm sitting in this restaurant which is called Mama Farina, which is one famous Italian restaurant, and I've ordered a pasta which is going to cost me 10.5 euros, and then with the water and drinks and coperto and other things included, it's going to be something around 13 to 15 euros per person for lunch, which is a typical price that you would pay for a nice sit-down lunch on a weekend, for example. On the other hand, having a sandwich or a light meal for lunch on a weekday, for example, will cost you between 5 and 15 euros, and having dinner at a proper sit-down restaurant, for example, might cost between 15 and 40 euros per person, of course depending on the type of restaurant that you're going to. Now, this estimate of costs between 5 and 15 euros for lunch and 15 and 40 euros for dinner are basically when you really go to a proper restaurant or cafe to buy something. But on an everyday basis, for example, if you're having for instance lunch during school hours or university or work hours, then you can actually get deals costing between 3 and 5 euros for an entire meal as well, because mainly the restaurants and cafes which are based around universities or other commercial establishments often offer many attractive deals and mix and match packages. So the cost of everyday eating out, especially for lunch, is quite cheap in Milan. This is also thanks to the fact that in Italy there are many bakeries which are called paniterias or pasticerias, and I have talked about them in a dedicated video, the link to which you can see hovering on top of the screen. I would like to mention that Milan is one of the most pocket-friendly cities in Europe when it comes to eating out, thanks to the presence of the concept of the aperitivo, which is basically something that costs you between 6 and 15 euros per person, wherein you buy a drink and then a nice buffet spread of nibbles, but also main course dishes comes with it by default. Now, generally the difference between the prices in sit-down restaurants and cafes or bars, etc., is mainly because of the coperto. And coperto is basically the cost of cutlery, napkins, and other additional things that you have usually in sit-down restaurants. And generally, the tipping culture practically does not exist in Italy, because the waiters and other people working in restaurants have a decent salary already, and it's kind of included in the price, so you're not expected ever to give a tip. And it's almost obligatory and ceremonial to have a nice cup of espresso or macchiato after every meal, and it costs €1, so life is really good in Milan. So this was a rough estimation of your expenses on eating out in Milan if you consume food at a cafe, bar, restaurant or a takeaway. Also keep in mind that many academic institutions, especially public universities, also offer a canteen service called mensa, where students can eat at discounted rates, especially for lunch. Some companies may also provide a similar service for lunch, and where they don't have one, you are still generally covered, since you may have the restaurant tickets offered by your company, which may value between 5 and 10 euros, which is quite decent for a lunchtime meal in Milan. If you liked watching this video, do give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel Good Morning Expat. And of course, stay tuned for the next video in this Cost of Living in Milan series.